today because I got something I've wanted for a long time. Mendini by Cecilio saxophone. Oh my god. I've wanted a saxophone from a long time and I decided to do a video on it. So let's snippy. Oh my god.
Okay, excited.
I know it is, Jack. I'm excited too. Oh my god. I cannot wait.
Oh my god.
I know, right? This is so awesome. Sorry you can't see this. I know.
What do I do now?
Gotta get it open, Jack. Like, I don't have that many unboxings. There it is, I can see the case. I can see, no, don't touch it.
Sorry, alright.
Right.
It is a case.
Yes, this is the case. Holy nuts. Come on, Casey, you got it. Look at it. This is so heavy.
I got a case.
And here's the book.
It's a book too.
Yes. Okay, let's put it down here.
Right.
So, actually, no.
Blueprint.
Whoa. Okay, I'm so excited right now. I can't help it, people. Oh, God. Oh my God. Where's the zipper? I don't know. I don't really know how to operate this. There it is. Okay. I never had a saxophone before. Oh my God. I'm so excited right now. I can't help it. I'm sorry. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. We're good. So, first of all, yeah, this is a tuner. This is, hold on, we'll get to that soon. No. This is fingering chart, all that stuff. You know, here's some cleaning stuff. Yeah.
Good.
Okay, here's a strap or two. And these are reeds, I think. No. Yeah, I don't know what these are. What are these? Alto? Yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, here's this part. Whoa, look at this. Let's get it open. Oh, look, the reed's already on. That's so awesome. Here we go.
Oh yeah, I just use a stick. It works.
Okay, here comes.
Alright.
Here comes the neck. Wow, it feels cool. Whoa! Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? By the way, this is the nickel-plated saxophone. So, okay, people, I'm so excited for this part.
I can get this part.
This part is the actual saxophone. I'm so excited.
Has we opened it?
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look at it! Oh my gosh! Look at it! Holy nuts! This thing is incredible! I bought this in nickel plated, and it is absolutely beautiful! Jesus!
Oh, these.
Oh my gosh! Look at this! Oh my gosh! This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
No.
Okay, so I don't
go, Dinny.
Okay, so I don't exactly know how to put it together.
This Dinny.
So yeah, I don't really know how to put it together, unfortunately. It should say it somewhere in here. Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I'm just gonna try it. So, my gosh, I can't wait to see this in full version. Holy gosh. Oh wait, I think I'm forgetting something because I've seen a lot of videos on Mendini saxophones, and they usually have something inside it. This is beautiful. This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
So, look at this.
Whoa.
Pop goes the weasel. So this is the cleaning thing, I think. People, I'm shaking right now at how beautiful this saxophone is. I love it. Now.
Oh, these. I do what?
Let's see.
Here.
I think it goes in. Hold on. I think there's something we have to unscrew here.
Oh, the hair surface.
It's not for your hair. It's for the saxophone.
I live from X-Phone. Yeah, okay.
It's for saxophone.
From
Okay.
X-Phone. It's red, yellow, and blue.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not doing this that well. I mean, I've never really. I can't believe this is mine.
Look
Look at it.
Selfie.
Okay, hold on. Something is stuck.
Like a big thing. Like it.
We're good. We're good. It's Jack, we're good. This is absolutely marvelous. I love it. I completely love it. And the case is cool too. I just can't. That's a shame. Sorry. This is absolutely marvelous. I love this thing so much. And I have a clarinet too, so I might know how to play at least a bit. And I can't get this.
I'm filling with playing a bit.
Yeah, we're doing a band this summer, and I want to play saxophone in it. So, man, I love this. This is so cool. I'm just gonna go. Yeah. So I can't get this undone. Just hold on. Don't tell him anything. I'm gonna go ask for help.
All right.
Gee.
All right.
Claire?
I'm holding this.
I have a problem.
I'm gonna say. I'm sorry to you guys. I'm gonna read when I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna say another thing or a hair. That's not messy. Anyway. I go by this.
Okay. Okay. Here we go.
Alright, on the
Sorry. I just had to figure out how this worked. She was able to do it. Now it should be able to go, and there we go.
No.
Okay, now we should tie this again.
Yeah, tie. Yeah, I'm gonna tie.
What? No, I'm losing it.
Now in the hole.
What is taking this so long?
And it's a noise.
I don't know how to do a side. Oh wait, I'm doing it the wrong way again. Why? Okay, that one's done.
And the man in the hole.
Sorry, I have never done this before in my entire life.
What?
Why? What is taking you so long? Hold on. Hold on, maybe it's the other way. Yeah, see, it's the other way. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna have to do this when I'm future. There we go. Okay. So where's this? So here's the mouthpiece. Sorry. Here, let's just look at that.
Yeah, nothing there.
Then here we go.
And
That goes on. I am
this
trembling,
paw.
people, right now.
I like this paw. I just take that. Then the noise.
I don't know how to get it on.
And the noise.
There we go. That should work.
Yeah.
Okay, people. Here's the big moment we've all been waiting for.
What? What's that?
I don't think it's all the way on. That sounds cool, though. Oh, yeah, right. This needs cork grease. We have cork grease, right? Whatever. This is absolutely magnificent. I love this.
As I make this sound.
I love this. All right, so I think we're going to stop the video here. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the best video ever when I got my brand new saxophone.